Hi, my name's Shannon. I live in North Carolina, and the type of agency that I am doing my internship at is an agency that helps homeless people, whether they are veterans, people who have been through trauma, just anything like that, uh, to find homes. And it's kind of like a realtor company, but they have people also that come in on the social work side, which is what they're creating now to really help these people stay in the homes that are created for them. They don't necessarily have their rent paid for them, but if they need assistance, sometimes the agency tries to help out. Like during COVID and things like that have come up recently, the agency has done special things for these people. I do know so far from the background that I've gotten with the agency that they do have to pass drug tests to be able to stay in the communities that are built for them. From field placement, I really am excited to work directly with veterans because that is my main goal with just obtaining my MSW in general. Um, I'm a little concerned because most of it, since COVID's going on, it's mostly virtual like this. So this is how I'm going to be communicating with most people. Um, Managing those feelings, it's going to be a little troubling, and I'm just trying to stay positive and hoping that my next internship, my second one, I'll actually be able to do in person. So, excuse me, hopefully everything with COVID can just pass. Everybody gets better. Maybe a vaccine is created, something along those lines, because it's really just affecting everyone at this point. So that's what concerns me, but I'm still super excited.